Hello traders, I hope you're all doing fine and I hope today you have made some profits out of my analysis. And also, as I stated, I was bullish on IT sector and all the IT giants like Happiest Minds and Wipro, L&T, Emphasis, Mindtree. This all gave a very good performance. So here I would like to say one special IT stock, that is Happiest Minds. Happiest Minds, I already suggested this stock as a multi-bagger stock in one of my video. I'll add that video link in the I button. You'll be able to see that. And also I will add it at the end screen so that you can go ahead and watch that. And I've also added some five other stocks. You can go ahead and check that as well. And so today for tomorrow's intraday session, I have bought four more stocks for you. So let's review that. So the first stock is Newgen Software. So Newgen Software, if you see this level, this trend line has been broken and it's consolidating. Tomorrow, two things might happen. The first thing is it will, be in this range and consolidate for one more day, or it will give a upside breakout, and if it crosses 704.45 level, we're gonna buy this stock and the targets will be 728.60. And if 692.15 level on the downside is broken, we're gonna short, and the targets will be 670.20. So these are the levels. Please note it down and trade as per the levels. And one more thing here, I'm very bullish on this stock because of two things. The first thing is exponential moving average, 20-day exponential moving average. If you see, it exactly taking support at 20 EMA. So downside movement, I don't see it will happen, and the stock will go up. And also, if I go to daily time frame here, see here daily time frame, it is kind of forming a bullish hammer. See this, it's a bullish hammer. So yeah, so the stock has a good potential to go on the upper side. And also, if you see stochastic RSI is it showing oversold, that means there will be some buying opportunity tomorrow. Okay, so keep an eye on the stock. So Wipro, if you see here, Wipro, its all-time high is 563. So tomorrow, our focus will be only on buying side. We are not going to sell the stock, and our view will be only on the buying side for the stock. So tomorrow, if it crosses 563.90, we're gonna buy, and our targets will be somewhere around 579.40. Okay, on the upper side. So keep an eye on the stock. And tomorrow Wipro results are coming, so we hope we are expecting a good results from Wipro as well. So keep an eye on the stock. Okay. The next stock is ICICI Securities. If you see ICICI Securities, last time as we discussed, it is in a channel pattern. See here, again this gave a breakout with a good volume, and it's consolidating. Tomorrow what we're gonna do is, if it crosses 712 level, we're gonna buy the stock, and our first targets will be 733.80. And if it crosses 697.35 on the downside, we're gonna again sell this, and our targets will be 680. Okay, so this is the view on the stock. And also tomorrow, angel broking results are there. So based on that results also, it's a since this is a ICICI Security is a brokerage stock, so this will be in focus as well. Okay, so next stock is Saxoft. Saxoft, if you see, this stock is having one special character. If the stock goes up 6-7% the previous day, the other day it will come down till 3-4%. Okay, so this is a one kind of a special thing about the stock. So tomorrow, what we can expect? So if it crosses 664.05 on the downside, we're gonna sell that. Okay, and and the next targets will be somewhere around 637. Also, you just keep an eye on this level also. So that is 642 level. It might come here and take support because we are having multiple supports here as well. So don't wait till 636. Just book your profits at 642 level, maximum profits at 642 level. And if you want, you can trail the stop loss. Okay. And if this gives a breakout on the upper side, we're gonna buy this at 682.70. If it crosses 682.70, we're gonna buy, and our targets will be 709.75. So these are the levels. Please note it down and trade as per the levels. I hope my content is helping you in making some of the profits, and also the main thing is you people are learning about the trend lines, the support and resistance, and as well as you know the patterns in the stock and how they are very useful in trading. So I hope you will help us grow by sharing this our videos with your fellow traders. And thank you for all your support. uh, I wish you all the best for tomorrow's trading session, and all the best. Bye bye.